In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poll on Mailchimp, an incredibly useful feature that allows you to engage with your audience and gather invaluable feedback directly through emails. Mailchimp has a built-in survey tool that makes this process not only simple, but also highly effective. So whether you're looking to understand customer preferences, gather opinions, or simply create engaging content for your audience, this guide will show you how to do it all within just 5 minutes. First, let's head over to your Mailchimp dashboard. Go ahead and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create it, but I'm assuming most of you already have an account set up. Once you're in, look for the Create option, typically at the top of the screen. Click on it and from the drop-down menu, select Survey. You'll see this option, and what it does is enable you to start crafting your poll immediately. Now let's design your survey. This is where you get to be creative. You have a range of question formats to choose from. If your goal is to create a poll, multiple choice questions might be the most suitable because they make it easy for respondents to select predefined answers. This streamlines the process and generates clear, easy to analyze results. Nonetheless, feel free to include an open-ended question if you're looking for detailed feedback. After setting up the questions, it's time to customize the survey page. Mailchimp provides you with various options to adjust the branding, colors, and layout to match your brand identity. Customizing these elements is important for consistency and makes your survey look professional and engaging. Take this time to ensure that the design aligns with your brand aesthetics and leaves a lasting impression on respondents. With your survey designed and customized, you're ready to proceed. Click Save and Get Link. This action will have Mailchimp generate a unique link for your survey. It's a nifty feature that simplifies the sharing process and ensures your survey is accessible to the right people. Finally, you'll need to share this link to start gathering responses. Mailchimp makes it straightforward. You can include this link directly in your email campaigns to reach people who already engage with your content regularly. Alternatively, extend the reach by sharing it across your social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn, or even embed it on your website or a landing page. Each of these allows you to tap into different segments of your audience and maximize your survey reach. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've created a fully functional poll on Mailchimp, ready to capture your audience's valuable feedback. Whether you're conducting market research, exploring new ideas, or simply looking for interaction, Mailchimp surveys are a tremendous tool to leverage. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this guide useful in your Mailchimp journey.